Good day to all the employers. My name is DC Cepeda. I'm 40 years old. I am a single mother of one son. He's 12 years old now. I took up nursing it undergrad. I complete my caregiver in C2. I passed the training of basic life support, basic first aid under Philippine Red Cross. I have work experience here in Philippines, taking care of elderly patients, especially bedridden, in Davao Rehabilitation. I work also in Dubai 4 years as domestic helper. There are 4 members in their family, 1 couple and 2 kids. 1 is 4 years old, 1 is newborn. My main duties are taking care of newborn. I work also in Qatar 8 years. There are 7 members in their family, 1 couple and 5 children. My main duties are taking care of 5 children, but my responsibility taking care of newborn. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, you can trust me everything. I am responsible and hardworking. I can do job without supervision. And I promise to finish my contract with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.